Your next question is, which is the national bird of Pakistan? These are your options. A. Peacock. B. Checker. C. Eagle. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is B. Checker. Your next question is, which company makes shoes from ocean garbage? These are your options. A. Puma. B. Adidas. C. Campus. D. Red Chip. The correct answer is B. Adidas. Your next question is, in which state of India is the floating park located? These are your options. A. Goa. B. Bihar. C. Manipur. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is C. Manipur. Your next question is, which part does not burn quickly in fire? These are your options. A. Teeth. B. Bone. C. Nails. D. Hair. The correct answer is A. Teeth. Your next question is, which bird lays its eggs in others' nests? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Peacock. C. Parrot. D. Cuckoo. The correct answer is D. Cuckoo. Your next question is, what color can a squirrel not see? These are your options. A. Green color. B. Black color. C. Red color. D. Blue color. The correct answer is C. Red color.